Hi there, in this video we're going to take a look at how to download and access Schoology on a mobile platform. First, go to the Play Store and download the app. After you've got the app downloaded, open the app up and take a look at the options in front of you. First, you're going to want to click on Sign In Through My School. If it doesn't say Aiken County Public School District, you're going to want to make sure that it does. Simply type in Aiken County Public School District. And there it is. I'm going to click on it. And it says, go to SSO, which is single sign in. Continue to my school's single sign in page. We're going to click go to SSO. After you've clicked the sign in with SSO, it's going to pull up your school information for your email. If you click on your account and then type in your password, it'll ask you if you want to stay signed in, and you can say yes. And then it's going to ask you to prove that you are a human. Check the box and click approve. And there you have it. You're signed in to Schoology on mobile.